Hello friend, in this video lecture I am going to discuss about how to use gamma regression in Alteryx. So here if you go on the predict tabs, so here you can see gamma regression. So this all that I already discussed. So let's click on gamma regression. So this is the definition about the gamma regression. Use gamma regression instead of linear regression for the for a strictly positive target with a long right hand tail, that is a small number of high value and a large number of small value. For example, all gamma regression can be used to model insurance claim or scenario where there are large number of small claims and a small of large claims. So let's understand by example. So here I'm going to drag input data inside the workflow, and you can connect with file or database. So here you can see this is all. So here file and data source. So if you want to go on the database tables, so you can easily do that. For quick connection of SQL Server, you need to click Oracle, and here there are others. For files, you need to click on this file tab. Here select the file. Now the next is going to select the file 1. Now you can see this is the file 1, 10 dpt number, and there is one important thing. This all are a string. So to convert this into integer or float, here you can see this dpt number all are a string. So here you need to click this, making on int 64. Now here after let's click on predict, and there is the gamma regression. Here you need to give this the name. So let's give md, that is model underscore gamma regression. Now here after automatically it's come there, select target. You can select dpt number because this option come because here dpt number is the integer tab. So here it was a string, but after doing the conversion this is the converted into integer. So if I click in this arrow, here dpt number is now integer 64, and you can select here dname or log. So let's select dname, and here at least one predictor variable must be selected. So you can select at least one or more than one. Now here after model type, that is log inverse identity. So first check with log. Now it has O, that is stand for output or for report. And here after dragging this to browse, and mapping part, workflow part, it has done. Now click on this run, and it has file 1, it has only 10 rows and the size 299 byte. So this part it has completed its processing on gamma regression. Now it's typecasting that has done. There is no any problem with the typecasting, and here after 59% it's completed, and 21.6 KB that go to, and there is no any problem. It has taken 13 second times to complete this workflow. Now if you click on this output, here you can get this name is the md gamma, this is the size of object, here this is name. Now I want to see the report, so click on this, make that a little bigger, and here you can see report for gamma regression model md gamma regression. Summary, this is the formula. So this is here formula dpt number tilde dname family gamma log and data the data. Deviance result, this is the result here, mean IQ median 3Q, and coefficient here d name hr, estimate standard z value, Here this is for research. Now if I click on, so here dname account research sales operation, you can see this all. So that here it's coming d name hr, and here this all, and significance code, this person parameter for gamma, null deviance, and here number of features scoring iteration. Now here you have you can select many more than one predictor variables, and you can change with let's do with inverse. Now click on run, and here it's processing, running the workflow, and here the site 100% completed, 41% comma regression. Now about the data investigation that I already discussed, so you can check my previous video, and preparation, this all that I already discussed, and input tab, this is a browse to view the data. Now it's completed without any issue. Hereafter let's click on this report. Now you can see call, this is the comma, this is now inverse, and here formula dpt number dname adding log, and now here d name hr research, and this for here it's showing not available, and this is the thanks. Now there is one important, so this time I'm going to uncheck dname, and selecting identity, and here you can increase the resolution of graph, so I'm not going to increase. Now let's rerun the workflow, and check the output, and here 41% it's completed. So this is about the browse. So here view data from the connection tool, and view data profile information reporting a snippet like mapping and behavior analysis. That's why we are used for browse. Now you can see this time it's only taken 29.7 seconds to complete this process. Click on this on the report, and here you can see only log it's come there. Formula dpt number did log family comma, this time using identity data the dot data, deviance residuals, and here mean iq, and you can see intercept estimate a standard z value, and you can see null deviance residual deviance, and your type 2 analysis for deviant test. So this is the way we can use here gamma regression in Alteryx. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over, so thanks for watching, see you next video. Thank you.